My name is Greg Ruiz with Pipeline and Supply Company. I'm the technical trainer and sales rep for the West Coast region. What I'm going to do today is show you the proper method of cutting your gasket for the next size up. Okay, so what I'm going to show you is the proper cutting of our gasket. These gaskets come pre-cut for 3-inch from the factory, just like that. We need to cut this open if we're going to switch from 3 to 4, from 4 to 6, or from 6 to 8. Each one of these little openings here dictate the different sizes. The first cut is for your 3-inch, next is 4, next is 6, next is 8. So if I wanted to use this gasket for a 3-inch, it's pre-cut, it's ready to go. Okay, I'm going to show you the proper way how to cut this gasket when you have to go from size to size. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a sharp blade, I'm going to lay my straight edge right along the side of those openings, and I'm going to want to start at the opening and pull straight back. What I'm trying to do is keep this nice and straight, so when I cut this opening here, I don't want that gasket to be uneven. If the gasket is uneven when you cut that, you're going to have your liner get bound up on you, or it's going to rip easily. So to keep this gasket from ripping on you, you want to make sure you get a nice and straight cut from opening to opening. So once I've cut this to the next size larger, once I cut it to the 4-inch here, we're going to not use this for the 3-inch anymore. We're going to have to get another gasket for our 3-inch, and so forth. We got 6 here, we got 8 here. So once you cut this all the way to the 8 and use it for your 8-inch lining, you're going to want to replace this gasket to the next size smaller.